Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to turn on or off Microsoft Store in Windows 11 or 10 PC using Registry Editor. For this, first click on the Start button and then search for Registry Editor and click on this one entry to open Registry Editor on your Windows PC. In case Windows prompts, click on this one Yes button. Now all you need to copy and paste this one path from this video description and then press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to Microsoft key in the left sidebar. Under this one Microsoft, search for Windows Store. In case it does not exist, you need to create a new one. For this, right click on this one Microsoft folder option, then select here new and then key option. Name it Windows Store. Then click outside. Now select this one Windows Store and on the right sidebar in free space right click and select here new and then divert 32-bit value option and name it remove Windows Store. Then click outside. Now double click on this one and you need to set the value data 0 to enable the Windows Store, and in case you want to disable this one Windows Store, select set here value data 1 and then click on this one OK button. Then close the registry editor and restart your PC once to apply the changes.